Hi everyone, it's Ed, your faceless YouTuber, back again, still growing, still learning, and still sharing what I've picked up over 10 years with succulents and cacti. Today's topic is one I'm really excited about: propagation. That's just a fancy word for making more plants from the ones you already have. It's fun, it's free, and honestly, it's a bit addictive. Personal story: I remember the first time I tried propagating an echeveria leaf. I thought, how hard could it be? Well, I overwatered it, the leaf turned to mush, and I felt like I'd failed Plant Parenting 101. But I didn't give up, and soon I had my first baby rosette. I showed my wife like I'd won a gold medal. Audience question: a subscriber once asked, Ed, how do I propagate succulents without fancy tools? Great question. You really don't need much. Just a clean pair of scissors or a gentle twist to remove leaves or offsets, a shallow tray or pot with fast-draining soil, and patience. Lots of it. Plant profiles. Echeveria, the easiest leaf propagator. Lay the leaf flat on dry soil. After a week, mist lightly. Jade plant. Grows well from leaf or stem cuttings. Moon cactus pups, gently twist them off and replant on a new rootstock if needed. Barrel cactus pups. These can be tricky. I'll walk you through that in a future episode. Practical demo. Let's do a quick mental demo. Imagine gently twisting a healthy echeveria leaf from the base. You want the whole leaf, no tear. Set it on dry soil. No water yet. After 1 to 2 weeks, you'll see tiny roots and baby rosettes forming. Then start misting every few days. USA regional tip: if you're propagating outdoors in places like Arizona or Nevada, keep your baby plants in bright shade, not direct sun. In humid states like Florida, focus on airflow so the leaves don't rot. Apartment growers, a bright windowsill or grow light works wonders. Fun fact: humor. Here's a fun one. Did you know some cacti like Opuntia can regrow from a single fallen pad? Talk about survival skills. And honestly, propagating succulents is the only time I'm excited to see something multiply like rabbits. End with a challenge. So here's your challenge. Try propagating one succulent this week. Post your progress and tag me. I'd love to see. And a quick Q&A. Can I propagate in winter? Yes. But growth is slower, so be extra patient. What's the fastest succulent to propagate? Probably sedum or graptopetalum. They root super fast. Do I need rooting hormone? Nope, succulents are champs. They root on their own just fine. That's it for part 5. In part 6, we'll cover seasonal succulent and cactus care, how to adjust your plant care through spring, summer, fall, and winter, with tips for USA regions like California, Texas, New York, and beyond. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss it, and happy propagating!